Random shout out from my subscribers. Shout out Josephine Beluston, Drax, Hourthy, Mr. Flower, Marzilyn Divino, Ilse Mizo. If you want to shout out or get mentioned in the next video, please subscribe and comment with hashtag HarTzy. Want this? Open Capcut. I have link in the description. Add total of 7 picture. I forgot the 1 picture, but I will put it later. Click the image. Go to edit, then click the rotate button 1 time. Just do the same process to the other pictures. Click the picture and then use your 2 fingers to fit it in the format. Just like this. Make this as the same process in the next pictures. Add transition. I will post it later on the screen the overall durations for the transition. Fit the transition in the match cut by moving this part. Just like this. Here's the overall durations for the transition. Just do the same process in the first 2 pictures by fitting the transition to the match cut. I forgot to put this last picture. We done for transitions. Next trim the last picture and set 1.7 second duration. Add animations. And here's the animations. Click Done, then create new project. Add the video that we saved before. Before we end this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button to be updated for our new videos.